Now, you don't have to take the entire airbox out of your BMW X5, F15, N63, 4.4 liter Xdrive50i, and lay it on a beautiful fake bearskin rug like this. You could just do the job from in the car with a simple T25 Torx bit and a ratchet, but I had to take it out anyway, so here we are. If you do want to see how to take the airbox out of the car, I'll include that at the end of the video. Right in the middle is another T25. This one first. Just like that. This one second. Like that. Das ist dreckig. Oh, schön, schön. Left side goes in first. Right side. Inside looks clean. That's good. It's working. Super terrific. So you want to see how to take this airbox out of the car, do you? Well, let me show you. First, you gotta pull these air intakes off the back, but before you do that, you gotta undo the hose clamp on there and unplug the little connector there, and then you can wiggle them loose. Make sure to do both sides. There, oh, there we go. She's loose. Now you just kind of pry up on this thing a little bit, wiggle it loose. It's just sitting on a pin. Oh, there she goes. And then same with the other side. Oh, oh, we got her. And off she comes. There's the little pins that it's sitting on, those little bulbous pins that it just sits on there. Two of them, one on each side. Thanks for watching.